It's Saturday, September 2nd, 2 p.m. and it's flaring up a little bit again behind 553. The winds are strong westerly winds right now. I'm just downtown at the camps. Just a quick update that yeah, she's a little smokier and windier than it'd be nice to be, but I heard planes earlier. Maybe there'll be some more out soon. I'm at the airport now. Feels like a strong westerly wind here. Just looking over across the West Channel. Water bomber getting ready to take off. Sitting around the sombrero. I don't even know if you can hear me with the wind. There's smoke there. Looks like it's coming. It looks like it's between the sombrero and the back of 553 of the industrial park. Oh, that's a bit concerning. Hey, I'm on my roof now. See the helicopters going. Most of the smoke seems to be blowing into the industrial park right now. Just turned the sprinklers on. Water on the roof. But yeah, it's strong winds again today. We're supposed to get rain tonight, so we'll see if we do. Must be tough for these guys with the wind. You wanted a panoramic view. Yvette, this is for you. The home crescent is that way. It's back out towards the woods behind 553, and the industrial park is over that way. Well, I'll upload this for now, and if there's anything new that I catch, I'll put it on.